Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for watching this presentation video. My name is Sri Widaningsi. I am an author of this paper with my partner Agus Suheri. We are from Surya Kancana University, Cianjur, Indonesia. The title of my paper for PVJ International Seminar is Design of Waste Management System Using QR Code for Effective Management in Waste Bank. Waste management is one of the problems that faced by many cities in Indonesia, especially in big cities. Because the volume of waste products is not proportional to the amount of waste that is transported to the disposal landfill. One way to solve waste problem is through waste bank. Waste bank is place for sorting and collecting waste that can be recycled and or used that has economic value. The waste bank also has the aim to improve the level of economy through community economic empowerment programs, so as to increase public income and sustainable waste management. The business process of waste bank is similar to a bank, but it is processed the form of unorganic waste that has been sorted, such plastic, papers, metal, and glasses, not money. The figure 1 explains about mechanism of waste bank as general. The working mechanism of the waste bank include waste sorting. After that, customer delivers sort waste or it is picked up by waste bank institution. In the waste bank, waste is weighted and recorded, which is submitted to the saving book and sharing of waste revenue between customer and the bank-based institution. Waste bank already exist in several cities in Indonesia. According to the Environment Ministry, in the Waste Bank Management Information System site, there are around 7,000 waste banks within Indonesia, with customers reaching hundreds of thousands of people. In general, several data management in waste bank has not yet utilized information technology. Management still uses conventional method, while recording only uses books. Some weakness of the system, including the need for paper for data storage media, data is easily lost, and the need for time to input data. The purpose of this paper is to design a system using QR codes for the system waste management at Waste Bank. With this system, it is expected that the process of managing data in Waste Bank can be more effectively and efficiently. Quick response code, or commonly called as QR code, is a form of evolution of barcode from one dimension into two dimensions. The content of the code can be deciphered quickly and accurately. Compared to ordinary barcodes, QR codes are easier to read by the scanner and able to store data both horizontally and vertically. QR code works by reading several components on codebook. Other advantages of QR code are freely available, follow ISO standard, dynamic, and completely measurable. One of the reasons behind the rapid growth of the QR code is that it gains momentum as smartphone users grow across the world and marketers use QR codes to reach mobile customers. Method. The method used in research is software engineering with waterfall model from Pressman. The waterfall model consists of several sequential stages. It flows like a waterfall. Water stages are communication, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. At the analysis stage, a description of the system will be made and functional requirements on the system are modeled. System description. For system description is shown in figure 4. proposed system flow diagram. In this figure, admin only needs to scan the QR code label attached on the waste bin, which is stored above the working device using QR scanner camera. If the waste data has been stored in database, the data will be displayed in admin application. Admin then input the weight of the waste and will be stored in the database. Each type of waste has a different price. The money that received by customer will be put into saving. Customer can check saving information in real time through application mobile. In addition, the amount of waste stock in the waste bank is immediately updated in real time too. System modeling. Use case and activity diagram are used in system modeling. Use case diagram illustrates user interaction with the system to be created. In the use case diagram, the function of each actor in the system are explained. There are two actors as system user, admin at the waste bank institution, and waste bank customer. Admin performs the function of managing customer, waste, and transaction, whereas customer can only see saving updates. Before performing this function, the admin and customer must log in first. Activity diagram illustrates the flow of process or activity contained in each use case diagram of the system. In Figure 6, is about activity diagram waste deposit. There are several activities are done by the admin. The first, admin select transaction menu in main page. Then, the system will display transaction page. After that, admin select waste menu deposit and system display deposit page. To scan a QR code a waste bin, admin must activate a camera in mobile device. When the camera activates, it will scan QR code. System will find the data in database. If data has an input, system will not display data. If data has stored in database, it will display and next, admin input the weight of waste. When data saved, it will update stock waste data and saving of customer. Result and discussion. There are two results in this research. The first is design of QR code form and second is design of interface. The information contained in QR code consists of the code, type, name, price, and description of the waste. For the example, this table describes about the field of QR code are designed. If the camera scans the QR code, it will display information. Information in QR code 1 are code P1, type plastic, item, mineral water plastic cup, price 7,000 rupiah per kilogram, description, clear plastic cup with cut end. And code P2, type paper, item archive, price 1,700 rupiah per kilogram, description is HVS, book without cover, or long cut white paper. Interface design. Interface design is showing in Figure 8. For interface design, on the transaction menu, there are several options such as deposit, selling waste, and taking saving. QR code scanning can be found in the waste deposit menu using the QR scanner connected to mobile camera. After scan QR code, handphone screen will display information of waste. Admin only inputs the weight of waste and total revenue received by customer will appear automatically. Next, admin press the Save button and data will be saved to database. Conclusion. Waste management system using QR code application that able giving benefit to admin in waste bank institution and to customer of waste bank. The admin can manage more effectively and efficiently, while customers can find savings in real time. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.